Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to delete Instagram messages from both sides. So to do this, you just need to go to Instagram, open your Instagram account and go to the conversation where you have the message that you want to delete from both sides. When you are inside the conversation, you just need to long press on the message that you want to delete. And as you can see here, you will see this list of options. To delete this message from both sides, you just need to click on the last option with red, which is unsend. Unsend. And as you can see now, this message disappeared and it will disappear for both sides. You can do this not only for the last messages, but also if you have an old message like this one, for example, from 2022, like I said, long press on it and after that unsend. And like that, this message disappeared from both sides. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.